Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss AJ. Guys, I'm baking a cake. I'm baking two white cake mix, Jeff Mills luxury cake. I'm baking a cake. Two of these I'm baking for some children. So guys, I'll put in one box of the cake in my mixture. It's I must use 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of water, and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and mix at low speed for 2 minutes. So guys, I'm putting 2 boxes of this in there, and I'm doubling the recipe, which is 6 eggs, quarter and quarter is half cup of water, and 3/4 cups of oil, and mix. So this is what I'm doing now. This is the first mixture. So I'm gonna put in the other mixture in it to make it get the texture that it's supposed to have. Yes guys, there we go. So I'm gonna put in the other box of cake now. Which is this one. This is the other one I'm throwing in there now. And I'm mixing it little by little. Yes. I have the electric mixer now, guys, but you know, if I plug it in now and set it up to mix it, better I'm going to use my hand and mix it, because this is much easier to use with your hand than the electric mixer right now. See, I'm mixing it around. Yes, guys, I'm going to put the rest in it. Wow. Nice, yeah. And I put it in the baking tin. It's gonna rise high and big. Guys, see, I put some into this to make muffins, 6 muffins, and I'm gonna put them in the oven, and I already greased my baking tin, so I'm gonna put the rest into this and let it bake. So see, here's trying it out in my baking tin. I want to put it. I did not put any flour into that pan, but this one having flour so it won't burn. So guys, I'm going to put it in the oven now. And it's supposed to be baked at 35 to 40 minutes. And then I can take it out. Guys, thank you for watching my video, my lovely cake. Thank you for subscribing, and please guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. If you are new here, welcome, and consider to subscribe. So guys, see you in the next one. Bye guys.